Alright, folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make the most delicious homemade fried bananas. Trust me, you won't be able to resist these crispy bites of heaven. First things first, grab some ripe bananas. You want them to be yellow with a few brown spots, that's when they're at their sweetest. Peel them and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now in a bowl, mix together some all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. This will give our fried bananas that perfect crunch. Next, add some cold water to the flour mixture and whisk it until you have a smooth batter. It should be thick enough to coat the banana pieces, but not too runny. Heat up some vegetable oil in a pan. You want it to be hot, but not smoking. Dip each banana piece into the batter, making sure it's fully coated, and carefully place it into the hot oil. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn golden brown. Once they're done, use a slotted spoon to remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, folks. Homemade fried bananas that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They're perfect as a snack or even as a dessert. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Enjoy!